If you want to improve your website's visibility on search engines, then you need to consider using some top SEO tools. In today's episode, we will know about some important tools for search engine optimization. We discuss about online PR in our last episode. Please check the I button. Before starting today's video, we would like to inform you that if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe now. So let's start. Search engine optimization, SEO, is a component of online reputation management. A good SEO strategy uses content, link building, negotiation, and other specific criteria to help push your website towards the top of search engine rankings. SEO tools make it easier. While every SEO or reputation expert has their favorite tools, here are ours. If you are looking for reputation monitoring tools, you can find them here. Ahrefs. Ahrefs offers the best possible site and keyword coverage with data for 150 million keywords in the United States alone, plus more for over 150 other countries. The tool provides data to increase search traffic, research competitors, and monitor your niche. It is especially valuable when researching competitors so that you can learn why they rank so high and what you can do to outrank them. This SEO tool offers professional-grade features for the most important SEO initiatives, including competitive analysis, keyword research, backlink research, content research, rank tracking, and web monitoring. Guest Post Tracker. Anybody who does a lot of guest blogging will appreciate the features within Guest Post Tracker. This platform helps you to find guest posting opportunities and manage campaigns. The search list features more than 1,500 sites that are accepting guest posts, and has helpful filters that will narrow down your search and save you time looking for the next platform that is accepting guest posts. Relying exclusively on guest posts may not be the best strategy, but most SEO campaigns involve some degree of guest content or contributorship. This site makes it easier. SEMrush. If you're looking for one comprehensive tool to manage all of your SEO initiatives, SEMrush may end up being your tool of choice. This tool is packed with lots of monitoring tools that are easily displayed on one convenient dashboard. We use SEMrush every day. You can view detailed keyword analysis, analyze competitors' metrics, track backlinks, and more to improve the success of your SEO campaigns. There are many popular features that help you to better understand your traffic and search data, as well as that of your competitors. Moz. Moz offers an SEO tool that comes with a place within its community network. Not only does the platform offers a wide range of SEO monitoring tools and large data banks, but you also get access to a supportive community. You can use the insights Moz tracks to analyze your site rankings, highlight potential issues, and determine which keywords you should target. Google Search Console. Usually the first tool to come to mind when thinking of SEO is Google Search Console. The comprehensive features provide a roadmap for you to improve your performance on Google Search. You can measure your site's search traffic and performance, fix issues, and just make sure it is overall structured in a way that Google likes and will reward in its search ranks. It is the go-to tool for your own site SEO visibility. But if you are looking for data on someone else's site, it won't help much. Google Analytics. Google Analytics is a free tool that gives you detailed information about how people use your website. This information can help you improve your site's design and layout and your marketing campaigns. So, today we know about search engine optimization tools. Hope you understand all the points. If any doubts, please comment below. For next video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell button. Thank you.